3, 2, 1, start. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to another show from ADX Interactive. And it is thank you everyone first of all to support us, to share, like, and subscribe to our page, to our channel. So we are even there on Instagram. We are even there on YouTube. That is ADX Interactive. You guys can go check out this video as well there. And welcome back, Sai, to another interactive information show by ADX. And this time we are actually going to discuss about certain things where a lot of people are discussing currently on startups. So one of the main discussions, what is happening now is the recession, and why the recession is creating a lot of buzz, and what is happening in the market, and why is there a lot of people losing out their jobs. So one of the main things actually because of this, what is happening is a lot of companies are delaying their process of an IPO. An IPO being one of the major things for companies, because a lot of investors who have invested into a company from the start until now, maybe it can be Series A, it can be Series B, it can be Series C. So all these people are expecting that the company reaches a good revenue and comes to an IPO. So now I wanted to discuss with you on this particular topic, that why are startups or why are companies delaying their process of an IPO, and what is the mindset going on for them, and what is the current trends, what is happening in the market.
So startups are plenty in India, and at the same time, everyone is making money and everyone's creating a buzz in the market. But when it comes to IPO, there are a lot of factors which comes into picture when any startup wants to go public. So why IPOs, why startups are failing in IPOs? It can be because of several factors, such as wrong timing, negative sentiment, recession, global market meltdown, and at the same time, there are several geopolitical turmoils like the one which is happening in Ukraine, etc. So there are
Yeah.
several factors. So, what has happened is in the last year we have seen some major players who have come up with IPO like Paytm, Nika, and Cardeco.com. And what has happened is all these startups and the valuation has gone down drastically. And
Correct.
most famously, Zomato. It has come down by at least 65%.
Yeah.
So, what has
Even I
happened is
yes, yes.
because of these kind of fall in valuations, several startups such as Boat, MobiQuick, Oyo Hotels, Snapdeal, they have postponed their plans. Okay,
True.
and all this happens because of exponential valuations, which the investors have taken while investing. So what has happened is shareholders are smart enough. Okay, they want a company which is sustainable or resilient. Okay, they don't want companies which is just working on unsustainable growth. They need profitability at the end of the day. Any company which is making profit wins. So what has happened is, looking at how other startups are performing, several companies had to back off. Okay, they had to back off their IPO plans. At the same time, what has happened is investors, they want to invest in traditional companies which is making money, not losing money. For example,
Correct.
if Zomato wants to earn 1 rupee, they are spending 2 to 3 rupees on marketing or in giving incentives or benefits to the end users. So end of the day, companies have to make money, and that's the reason why now even investors are cautious that startups start working on sustainability or resilient growth rather than just making money.
True. No, actually, coming to the same point, if you notice that there are a lot of companies currently are getting debt funding from the investors, compared to actually getting they have to give the equity, compared to a regular funding cycle, what is currently happening. So this particular process of this particular process is giving the company a responsibility that they have to pay back to an investor. Earlier it was just that investor money was being pumped into the company, so that the company starts growing, people start getting into the company, and consumers start utilizing the app and utilizing the services. but there is no profitability coming in.